Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to activate the auto system updates on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to enter the additional settings. Now let's scroll down and tap on the developer options, and if you cannot see this option in your device, then just find our video about how to enable the developer options, and then just go back to this tutorial and go through all the instructions. So let's enter the developer options after activating, and now we have to find the option which is called automatic system updates. So right now this option is turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see here, we've got the info that all the updates will be applied when the device restarts. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want, just tap on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.